Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can re-roll your cake options on Cake Off. So here, you can do it for every round. You have 2 re-rolls max. So for instance, you don't like the shape of the cake or you don't like how many tiers they gave you, just like re-roll, and then for instance, you don't like it again, you can only re-roll it twice, so keep that in mind. Then you're just going to choose the cake you want and then select confirm. And that's how you can re-roll your cake shapes on Cake Off. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. It would mean a lot to me. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!